Welcome to the DimensioneX hooks tutorial. In this short video we will see how it is possible to integrate a game built with DimensioneX with any external application. So this is a game we have on our local server that you might know quite well. This is a game named Underworld, and our purpose is to have a new command with which everybody can locate very easily any object within the game. This command will be available as a button. So we are seeing it here. By means of this button, we want to search within the game the object that I am writing here. So if I write spell and click here, I want to find all the spells that are contained within the game. So this is the result. As it stands, this is a website. This form can be located on any website, and this form communicates with the game without any need for the user to be actually connected to the game. In fact, I'm not connected at all to the game. I'm just outside of it. So this command will work both if I'm in-game or outside the game. So I want to implement an integration between an external application and my DimensioneX game. So it goes like this. I will send a command inside the URL with which I am calling my game, and the result will be sent back as a text that, as you have seen, will be displayed in the user's browser. So this is how the new hooks tag must be defined. You define it inside the GUI section, and it is defined as a series of couples with which the first element must be the command you want to send to the game server, and the second string must be a name of an event which is assumed to handle this command. So in our example, in which we have a button which finds an object, we will call it object finder. The command, the code we want to introduce is find obj, and with this line we say that every time the server gets this command, it will respond by transferring control to the do find obj event that we will define later. So this is the sense of this definition. Very straightforward, very simple. When you receive this command, you see on the left hand of the equal sign, please transfer control to this event I am indicating here on the right hand of the equal sign. So the URL I will use to call my hook will be of this form. Here you can find the command I am sending. Of course, this is an abstract form, so the actual URL I am using in my example will be this one. Here you can see the external command is passed as the CMD parameter. CMD stands for command, and I can have a number of parameters that I can use inside my handling event. So this is completely up to you. The handling event code And as I just said, it's completely up to you how to implement the handling code of your own hook, but you can define any number of input parameters that you might expect from the calling URL. So you can define it here inside the event brackets, or you can read them directly from the input set. Then the event code follows, and you output all the result by printing, simply by using the print instruction. Please note that the agent will always be associated to the user's browser or to the application HTTP channel. So here is very simply how the flow will be. When the DimensioneX game server will get this command, he will transfer control to the event code handling event. So this is the final effect. I implemented a small button, a Google toolbar button, that sends this message to the game server. So I can easily connect and find the object within the game, but also when I'm not connected. For example, by clicking spell and clicking here, this little button will send this text to the game, and I will have the result of my query right in my browser. I can do it while I'm outside the game, and also while I'm inside the game. Like this. As you see, I can find myself inside the game, for example, and when I click back, I'm still there. The XML code of this DimensioneX website. Now, hope you liked this small hooks demonstration. Have fun.